Good morning, guys. It's Taylor. Welcome back to another day in my life vlog. So I'm just going to be taking you guys along with me throughout my day. We have some cleaning to do just to like prepare for the week, and we're also going to go grab some Moti donuts right now. It's this new donut place that opened up in Minneapolis that I've been dying to try. It looks so delicious, so I'm really excited. Another fun thing we're doing today is going to the farmers market, which I'm really excited about. I just love the farmers market and I've been really looking forward to it. So yeah, we just thought we would go today because it's open, and yeah, I'm excited to take you guys along with us and show you what we get. Whoa, those are so cool. We ended up getting some Korean corn dogs because they had them here and they looked so good. It's just a beef hot dog with some batter, and then there's sweet chili sauce on it, and then we have some spicy mayo on the side, but they are seriously so good. And the Moti donuts are so delicious too. I'm loving this Fruity Pebbles one here. I haven't tried the churro flavor, and the middle one is original, but yeah, they have like kind of a unique texture. It's like a little chewy-ish, but still like a donut, and yeah, it's really good. Alright guys, we are back from the farmers market. I'm honestly so exhausted right now because that food just put me right into a coma, so I might need to go rest after this. But I wanted to quickly show you guys what we got. We actually ended up going to one that we've never been to before, and they didn't really have like a ton of fruits and vegetables, so we actually ended up getting a bunch of plants. And as you guys may know, I'm trying to decorate our balcony, so now we finally have some new plants. I will need to repot them probably just to make them a little more presentable and get like a shelf or something. The first one we got is this really cool cactus. I am obsessed. I've always wanted to have a cactus plant, so I'm really excited about that. Arie picked out this romaine lettuce one. It's super cool. Now we can have fresh lettuce if we want to make like some burgers or something. We also got this really interesting looking succulent plant. It kind of looks like tentacles, and the girl said that the girl that was selling them said she calls them Shrek ears. So yeah, kind of funny. They look like a sea plant, so yeah, it's really interesting looking. Then we just got two more. We got a mint plant just to add to like some teas. We love hot water with like honey and mint, so it's nice to have some fresh mint now. And then lastly, this is the last thing I picked out, which was this really pretty pink flower. It even has a second one right here. I love it so much. It doesn't really have like a strong scent, but it's okay. It's very pretty. So yeah, I'm excited to put these out on the balcony. We'll eventually go to IKEA or like thrift shopping and find some pots and a shelf, so I really want to do that, but for now at least we have some plants. There you go. I think she wants to check out the plants. What are you doing? Careful. Nala, Nala, Nala. Oh, my baby. Careful. Careful. Goodness, I don't like this. Nala, you're a crazy cat. Damn it. So I just spent the last few hours finishing up my book because I just couldn't put it down. It was so insanely good. It's such a cute, like, hot and steamy love story. I freaking loved reading it. Colleen Hoover just knows how to write the best books, so I think I'm gonna read another one of hers after, because I saw someone posting about one that I've never heard of hers, and they said it was really good, so I think I'm gonna check that one out next. But yeah, so I'm actually headed out right now to get some dinner with my friend. I ended up changing my shirt because it's literally 80 degrees out and we're gonna be sitting outside on this patio, so I know I'm gonna be way too hot in what I wore earlier. Also, I have yet to get any cleaning done today like I said I was going to, because I just got distracted with other things, but I think I'll try to do it later tonight if I'm feeling up to it. Otherwise, we're gonna push it off until tomorrow.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to.
Happy Monday, guys, and it's now the next day. I have just been spending the morning getting some work done. Also, I'm talking a bit quieter because Arie's on a phone call out there. But yeah, I'm about to go take a break and get a workout in. I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do yet, so we'll just see once I get there what I'm feeling. But I just quickly wanted to talk to you guys about how I've been feeling lately. So yeah, I've just kind of been feeling unmotivated to work out. Like, after I was sick for a week, it just kind of put me off track and I just like lost all motivation to work out. So I've just been struggling to get back into it, and yeah, I've just kind of been taking things slow and not really trying to put too much pressure on myself to work out. Sometimes you just get into a funk and you kind of just need to like sit in it for a little bit in order to get back into the groove of things, you know? And I actually just did a little Instagram story about this, so you might have seen it, but I was just talking about how I've been feeling lately, and it actually kind of like motivated me. Like, after I posted it, I actually felt a little bit better. Sometimes when you just talk about what you're going through, it actually helps you get back on track. So now I'm feeling like a little more excited to work out. And the other day I was being so dramatic. I was just feeling like I was never gonna be motivated to work out again. So clearly I was being dramatic. But you know, when you're in the middle of a really bad rut or funk, then you just kind of feel like, you know, you're never gonna get out of it, but then you do, and you're like, okay, I was being a little crazy. Anyway, we're gonna go smash out a really good workout, so let's go.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss.
Is anyone else just awful at putting away their clothes? Sometimes I'm really good about it, but lately that has just not been the case. So once I snap my fingers, this will be clean. Boom. We did it. A lot of it needed to go in the laundry anyway, so super convenient for me. So Arie just left to go to the gym, and once he gets back, we're actually gonna go grab some Chipotle for lunch because it just sounded really good and I've been really craving it. And then we also have to stop at the post office quick to drop off some orders that we had. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna get some cleaning done. I just need to start like a load of laundry and then clean up this messy kitchen over here. There's just like a bunch of stuff out on the counter, and then like a few dishes in the sink and like stuff that needs to go in recycling. balcony right now taking some content for Sky Pearls, and the necklaces look so pretty on this picture. I'm obsessed. It's getting so hot out in Minnesota right now. It's going to be like 100 degrees this week, and today it's 80 and humid, so I just had to come inside because I was dying. But I think I'm gonna go make some lunch right now and then start editing this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a great time filming it, and yeah, I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.